Here we have our vacuum solenoids again, and I'm just going to demonstrate min-max again here, but this time we're going to use the current. We're going to check the current, minimum and maximum current. Here we have our meter again, and you can see the min-max. I already have it connected up for current, and that means the meter is connected in series. That means the power comes from the power supply, goes in through the digital multimeter, through the digital multimeter, out of the digital multimeter, and into the component, and out of the component, and back to the power supply again. And just your meter connections, the way it's set up there, the COM jack is connected in, the black wire is connected into the COM jack, and I've connected on the red lead onto the amps jack. Normally, unless you're sure what current you're going to be measuring, you should set it at the highest level first. So we put on the amp scale there, and here we have the dial set to, as you can see there on the starting on the right hand side, the bottom symbol on the right hand corner there is that little U with a little leg on it to the left of it, and A. That stands for microamps. That's a millionth of an amp. That's 1 amp divided into a million pieces. So you're talking about a very small amount of current there. Although microamps are not the smallest units, you can go down even lower than that. But normally the microamps will be the lowest you'll need to know about. So then the one that we've the meter set to is we'll expect to be measuring milliamps. So you have amps, both amps and milliamps there, and you can see the little signature mark directly over the MA, and that stands for alternating. So we're actually measuring direct current in this case, and you can see the little bar with the 3 little dots underneath it in yellow to the right hand side of that symbol there. And when we want to measure DC, that's a DC symbol, we want to measure DC, we go over here, and that yellow button, we have to press that, and that will bring us on into milliamps in DC, which is battery current. Right, I'm just going to focus then on the meter, and I'm just going to demonstrate again the minimum and maximum current there. At the moment I have that solenoid is actually drawing 265 milliamps. Right. So I'm going to change. I'm just going to make an alteration on. Oh yeah, sorry. You just press the min-max button. Then when you have your current up, just press your min-max. See the min-max there again. And if I alter the settings, you can see there she's changing up and down now. She's gone to 0. Right, and back on to 276 there again. I'll just alter this so that it doesn't go to 0 completely. Oops, she's gone to 0 there again. Just check to see what the minimum was. The minimum was 0 there because you cut it completely. So if you happen to wiggle your wires and you got an open circuit here to go to 0 amps, so that's the beauty of this setting. You can see the minimum there went to 0, so you know that you had an open circuit. So that's actually displaying the average value there at the moment, 219 milliamps. That's the current setting, 244. Maximum was 285 milliamps. Minimum was 0 amps.